Hi everyone, I'm Zoe. In this lesson, I'm going to explain about reflection over y equal to x. This axis. This axis is y, the line is y equal to x because all x and y's are equal, both here and this one. Okay, we have a pre-image, this triangle ABC with this coordinate values. This A is -3, -1, B is -1, 6, C is 3, 1. Okay, we wanna just transfer or kind of transformation reflection, reflect this triangle ABC over this axis or this line, y equals to x, okay? And we get this triangle A prime, B prime, C prime as an image. Yes, this one is pre-image, this is image. And we have coordinate values too. If you remember, we worked on this one. When we reflected any shape over x-axis, we kept this x's and changed the y values. Over y, the reflection over y values, we just kept the y values and change the x values from x to -x. But here we have y equal to x. Y equal to x, we change any x to y's and y's to x. Actually, we flip this one, okay, without changing any signs. What can we do? We can say that if this is pre-image, A prime is -1, -3. Just exchange this one. B prime is 6, -1. C prime gets 1, 3. Just exchange the x and y. Okay, for example, A is -3, -1. We can choose -1, -3. Okay, -1, -1, -3 is here, actually, here. Yes, this is A prime. -1, -3. How about B prime? B prime is -1. B is -1, 6. B prime can be 6, -1. 6 is here, -1. Okay, somewhere here. This is B prime. 6, -1. Here, -1, 6, 6, -1. How about C prime? C prime is 3, 1 gets 1, 3. 1, 3. This is C prime. 1, 3. Okay, we can connect this new shape. A prime is here and B prime. Use rulers. It must be roughly something here. Okay, good. From A prime to B prime, A prime to C prime. And C prime to B prime. We're supposed to have a same shape, same size, but with different coordinates just. Okay, we exchange the x and y's. Yes, this is the same. A prime, B prime, C prime is the same as this one, the same size, supposed to, because reflection preserves the length and the size of shapes. Okay, just 6 and -1, here's -1, 6, 3, 1, 1, 3, and here -3, -1, -1, -3. Okay, if you want to reflect any shape over y equal to x, you just need to exchange this one. X gets y, y gets a, right? If this is pre-image, this is vertices of the image, right? Like this one. Okay, how about reflect over y equal to negative x? Okay, y is negative x is here. Y in negative x is x and y are equal but different sign. This line, because negative 1, 1, negative 2, and here too, negative 1, 1, the same magnitude but different. Okay, if you suppose that we have this one, y equals to negative x. This is the line of y equals to negative x. Okay, how about this one? We have a, b, c. How can we have a, b, c transfer reflect over y equals to negative x? Okay, what can we do? In this part, we need to exchange this and change the sign. Okay, negative 3, negative 1 gets 1, 3. Okay, if image is this one, a pre-image is this one, we can exchange this one and change the sign. What can we do here? Just look at this. For example, the pre-image is negative 3, negative 1. We need to change this one, negative 1, negative 3, and change the side. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3 here. But this 1 and 3 is a prime for this one. Okay? This is a prime. 1 and 3. Because we exchange this one and change the sign, right? Okay. How about B? This is a little bit confusing, but it's okay. B here and reflect to this one gets negative 6, 1. Negative 6 is here and 1. Okay, this is B. Actually, double prime much better. Double prime. Okay, this is triangle, double prime. It's much better. Okay, this one is B double prime. How about C? C is 3, 1, and we get negative 1, negative 3. Negative 1, negative 3 is here. C, negative 1, negative 3. Okay? We can connect this. See? And A and this one. Yes. If triangle ABC is here, we reflected this one over y equals to negative x to this triangle, right? This is pre-image of this one over this one is image of ABC over y equals to negative x, right? This one, this one, this one. Exactly this. We need, for this one, if you want to transfer, reflect over y equal to x, you need to just flip this one, exchange, without changing any sign. Okay? Negative 3, negative 1 gets negative 1, negative 3, and so on. But how about this one? For this, we say a prime A double prime is 1, 3. B, change this one, the place, and the sign. B double prime gets negative 6, 1, and C double prime gets negative 1, negative 3. Right? Negative 1, negative 3. This green one is reflected of ABC here over this line. But this one, the red one, is reflection of this over y equals to x. Okay? Hope you like this one, and see you later with a new example of different kind of transformation. Okay? We call rotation for next time. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.